Capri, oh Capri, with your cliffs so high. Your beauty steals every heart under the Italian sky. Oh Capri, island of dreams, where the sunsets paint the skies in golden streams. With your gardens lush and waters blue, Capri, forever be enchanted by you.
Hello everyone! I actually wanted to make a video before getting on the ferry, but we had a pretty late start that morning and then had to stand in line to get on the ferry. I was surrounded by Spanish people and they were pretty loud. So I decided on a voiceover instead. The weather was okay, though I was afraid that it would rain, but it was fine in the end and by the afternoon it was hot.
Rompa la nave da Napoli verso l'isola di Capri. Onde danzano sotto il sole nel blu che ci culla, dolce idillio. Navigare verso Capri, tra le onde che cantano e sorridono sul traghetto verso un sogno nel mare azzurro, un viaggio divino. Vento leggero, profumo di sale, Capri ci accoglie con il suo spirito speciale. Tra le montagne e il cielo sereno, il viaggio in traghetto un dono da tenere. Navigare verso Capri, tra le onde che cantano e sorridono sul traghetto verso un sogno nel mare azzurro, un viaggio divino.
Hello everyone, so I'm in Capri today and I'm actually standing on a, to me, very special set of stairs because this is where Clark Gable stood in 1958 when he was filming It Started in Naples, which was most actually took place in Capri. And so yeah, I'm standing where he stood, and he's one of my favorite actors ever. And if you haven't seen the movie, you have to watch it. It's with Clark Gable and Sophia Loren, and it's one of his last movies, so it's kind of even more special. And yeah, there's a shop next to it. Now, and that's the balcony where they were shouting at each other in the movie. And there they had a whole procession, and he stood here and he picked out this little boy who was playing his nephew, and he was an Italian child actor. And so yeah, this is a very special place for me, so I got to come here. That's so great. So yeah, I'm in Capri.
Had not been born tourists.
Isla Madonna, molto bella.
It certainly is. You want a better look?
And this is the balcony from below. And well, the street changed a bit. And of course Capri changed too. It's a lot busier. Back then was still tourists came here. But we didn't have to take a little boat like Carl Gable did in the movie. With his bag and everything. Let's talk about Capri's history a bit. Capri is a stunning island tucked away in the Gulf of Naples, famous for sun and a lot of fun. And this has been the case for millennia. The island had been occupied since the Stone Age. Greeks settled here and then the Romans. One of its famous occupants was Emperor Tiberius, who came here to get away from the drama of Rome and lived a quiet life. Some say he threw wild parties, but others reckon he just wanted some peace and quiet away from the hustle and bustle. But Capri hasn't had it easy. Pirates used to raid the place, and it changed hands a lot of times in the Middle Ages. Even with all that going on, people still couldn't resist its charm. Jean-Jacques Bouchard was one of the first modern tourists to explore the island in the 17th century, and he even wrote a diary, which could be a blog or a vlog now. Come the 1800s, Capri became a hotspot for artists and thinkers. They were all drawn to its beauty and tranquility. Auguste Kopisch was renowned for his discovery and description of the Blue Grotto, making Capri even more famous.
Solo onde del mare, c'è un'isola d'incanto, con gli scogli che baci il cielo in un dolce canto. Capri, oh Capri, con i tuoi colori brillanti, il tuo splendore ruba ogni cuore sotto il sole radiante. Oh Capri, isola di sogni, dove i tramonti dipingono il cielo in toni dorati, con i tuoi giardini verdi e le acque blu. Capri, saremo per sempre incantati da te. Dalle rovine di antichi tempi, la bellezza di Capri per sempre vivrà. Ogni passo racconta una storia senza fine. In questo paradiso i nostri cuori si uniscono. Oh Capri, isola di sogni, incantati da te.
This is where I went for a little swim. The waves were pretty strong.
Oh Capri, isola di sogni, dove i tramonti dipingono il cielo in toni dorati, con i tuoi giardini verdi e le acque blu. Capri, saremo per sempre incantati da te. Dalle rovine di antichi tempi.
The funicular railway was started in 1905, making it over a century old. It was initially powered by steam and later electrified. The railway consists of two cars running on parallel tracks, with a central passing loop allowing them to operate in opposite directions. It connects the Marina Grande, the main port of Capri, where we also went, with the town of Capri located uphill. The funicular provides a convenient and efficient way for visitors to reach the town center from the port, especially considering the steep terrain of the island, which, believe me, you don't want to use on foot.
In the heart of the Mediterranean, there's a place so divine, where the sun-kissed shores meet the azure sea so fine. Capri, oh Capri, with your cliffs so high, your beauty steals every heart under the Italian sky. Oh Capri, island of dreams, where the sunsets paint the skies in golden streams, with your gardens lush and waters blue. Capri.
So I took the funicular up here, and best €2.50 I ever spent. My hair is a mess, my makeup is a mess, because I just had to swim. Yeah, and the waves are nice. That was fun. I finally got to swim. in the sea. I haven't swum in years in the sea, so that was cool. And the water was really nice, kind of warm. And yeah, look at this view. Look at that gorge. So yeah, take the funicular up when you're in Capri. I didn't do the chairs because it was getting pretty late. They're only open until 5, which sucks. And yeah, I was just too tired. But yeah.
Forever be enchanted by you. From the Piazzetta's charm to streets that wind, through lemon groves and vineyards, treasures we find.